Anhedonia is a psychological term that refers to the inability or reduced ability to experience pleasure or joy from activities or experiences that would typically be enjoyable to most people. Anhedonia, it is a term derived from the Greek words and the meaning is without pleasure. It is a complex and often misunderstood condition. It is a core symptom of various mental health conditions, most notably depression, but can also be associated with other disorders. There are two primary types of anhedonia. First one, social anhedonia, and second is physical anhedonia. In social anhedonia, it involves the inability to find pleasure in social interactions and relationships. People with social anhedonia may have difficulty feeling connected to others and might prefer solitude over social situations. On the other hand, the physical anhedonia, it relates to the reduced ability to experience pleasure from sensory or physical experiences. For example, enjoying a favorite food, engaging in hobbies, or appreciating beautiful sights and sounds. Anhedonia is a significant clinical symptom. It can contribute to a reduced quality of life, social withdrawal, and difficulties in maintaining relationships. It can also be a challenging symptom to treat. Anhedonia is often associated with major depressive disorder, that is, clinical depression. But it can also be a feature of other mental health conditions such as schizophrenia, substance use disorders, and certain personality disorders. Treatment for anhedonia. It typically involves addressing the underlying cause, such as treating depression or other mental health disorders. Therapies like cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) and other psychotherapeutic approaches may also be beneficial in helping individuals regain a sense of pleasure and enjoyment in their lives. Additionally, medication and lifestyle changes might be considered based on the specific diagnosis and individual needs. If you or someone you know is experiencing anhedonia or other mental health concerns, it is important to seek support from a qualified mental health professional. Alongside the professional help, support from loved ones, and adopting a holistic approach to well being, those facing anhedonia can find ways to navigate the darkness and rediscover the colors of life. Hope you found this video informative and engaging. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more informative contents. Remember to share this video with your family and friends. Thank you and keep smiling.